A little bit of sunshine in my life, a little bit of reggae for my ride, a little bit of color for my feet, a little bit of summer, what I need, a little bit of pass out in the sun, a little bit of stay up after one, a little bit of movement, that's the plan, a little bit of hold up, that's my jam. Hey.
This week really made me realize why dancing is my passion. It's because I'm proud of who I am and where I'm from. And coming to this unification camp made me see that there's a whole bunch of other people who share that too. Being able to be taught by Sina Frank was honestly something I'm glad I had the chance to experience. He really made me understand my role not only as a dancer, but also as a chamorro. I also learned that although our groups are different in their own unique way, we all share one common goal: to let the world know who our people are and to keep our culture alive. Overall, this has been one of the best experiences I've ever been a part of. We made a ton of memories. It really brought the six of us closer together. And I only hope that the rest of the group gets to experience it one day.
So this week gave me a new perspective on why I dance. And it's to spread awareness of our culture and who we are as a people and where we come from. And for Ryland's sake, I want to keep doing it so he can know who he is, where he comes from, even though we're miles from home.
Honestly, it opened my eyes. It gave me a new perspective.
My experience was great. I made a lot of new friends, and I learned a lot of new things.
It was good. It wasn't how I was expecting it to be. It was like rainy, windy, especially cold, like really cold. And there was a crazy amount of trees.
learned a lot from Santa Frank. I felt like I was in a good hands with the people I was with. I also learned a lot of different dances. He also showed us who our ancestors were. I've never felt more proud of who I am. I am very proud to call myself a Chamorro.
Stay tuned, see what IFG comes with.